Hi guys, thank you for checking out this video. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can save in at least 50 to 70% on your web hosting. The first thing you need to do is go to www.websitegm.com, and then once you're there, you're going to scroll down to step 1. Here you're going to check to see if your domain name is available. So I'm going to type in my domain name that I want to check to see if it's available. TECH Technify Webs, and I'm going to check to see if that name is available, and I'm going to click check. Okay, so that name is available. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to get web hosting. So I'm going to click on this button here on step 2. Okay, it's taking a little while. It's going to take me to the Bluehost company that sells web hosting. Okay, so I'm gonna click on get started, and here you will get, here you can choose, but for a beginner who's now creating their website, I would choose the 12 months. You could either choose 36 months, you get a significantly cheaper price here, but as a beginner I'm going to choose 12 months. I'm still going to get a discount. So instead of paying $5.95 a month, I'm going to show you how you will be able to get a cheaper price with a coupon, discounted coupon from Bluehost. Okay, so from here you're going to click select, and then you're going to type back the name of your website. Webs. So my name is technifywebs.com, and I'm going to click next. Okay, so you'll have to wait for the coupon code which will give you a cheaper price. If you scroll down a bit, you're going to see for the 12 months I would usually pay $5.95 per month, but once you get a coupon code you have to wait. Okay, it's taking a little while. Okay, so here it is. The $2.65 is only if you're going to be using paying for 36 months, but you still click the claim the savings here, and instead of paying $5.95 per month, you will only be paying $4.95 per month, which is significantly cheaper. Okay, so after you've done that, you need to fill in your details here, your country, address, everything else. The most important thing here is your email address, because here is where Bluehost will send you your login details and your receipt of payment. Alright, so as a beginner we're going to choose 12 months, and we're getting a discount here, and so for a year we're only paying $59.40, and our domain name is free. Okay, uncheck everything else and leave domain privacy and protection. This is for spammers, so you leave this on and you scroll down. So the total charges is $71.28. we're having at least 50% discount on the usual price, and this is basically it. Thank you again. This is Crazy Walters from website gm.com, and don't forget to share this video. Bye.